Well, it's officially the last day of 2024 deer season. We're gonna see if we can get something. Tanner, he's being a little late right now, but yeah, Dylan's gonna see if he can connect with one with his bow. Tanner's bringing his muzzleloader down since it's muzzleloader season, so this is kind of wild. This is last minute. Tanner messaged me about this just a couple days ago, and he said, hey, let's see if we can get something, so here we go.
See if we can have some luck on the last day. Haven't been out in a while, but figured what the heck, so see if something comes strolling through, if something comes in close. See if I can take a poke with the bow, and then Tanner can take a poke at something longer with the muzzleloader.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look who decided to show up.
Better late than never, huh?
Did you go the speed limit?
Nope. Why would I go the speed limit? Those are just a government issued, like, suggestion.
Yeah. This is how George Washington and the boys used to do it.
Primer goes in, gets shut, cocked, loaded.
I can't do anything cool like that.
The new video had already dropped. You gotta watch it. You are absolutely hilarious.
Thought about doing the Indian style, snip the fingers.
Really, Josh Crowbar? Yeah. Josh, if you're watching this video,
Highly unlikely.
Sure, subscribe if you are.
I was anticipating you guys to wait for me.
By the time we got here, you weren't too far behind.
Everywhere. I really don't care. I have a gun, you have a bow. You shoot long ways, you shoot short ways. Make the young kid do all the work. You go ahead, climb on up. Okay, see you later. Dibs on bucket.
No, I'm getting the bucket.
No. Yes. Hey, I brought knives this time. What? I don't know what to open up. It's your hunt, buddy. We're just living in it. This is not. I'm just here. Whatever you want, princess. Go ahead. No, it's your day, princess. It's your day.
He's gonna open up every window.
Yep. It's gonna boom, 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 boom.
I said every visit we go on and record. All we do is shoot and don't kill anything.
What's your highest pin?
I don't know, I've never tested it.
Do you find it knocks?
No.
Damn.
How'd you drop back? Take bow. If she moves closer, just go in the water. Left edge.
Get your feet wet. It's a dog.
I don't. My rule is if it's bigger than my dog zone. Ayo. Didn't get skunked. See where she came from. Just getting further out there for you, Dill. You're gonna have to use your 90-yard bin here soon. She would be dead meat. Boom. We got a little bit of daylight left. We're gonna switch it up. Good old spot and stalk. Good old spot and stalk right now. About to freeze our butts off. It's our best move right now. We've only seen one doe, so we're gonna give it a shot. Hopefully we get something. If not, it's been a memorable time.
This is a weird gun.
We'll see you later.
Until next year.
Until next year.
I guess we'll go pinhunting now. I guess.
I bet.
Like you guys just saw, we weren't able to connect with one tonight on the last day, but that's all right. You know, there's always next year. You saw Tanner, he was able to link up with one during shotgun season this year. What is the lesson that we learned today?
When you don't go into anything with expectations, the expectations are met.
Dylan, he's hoping to get one next year with his bow, but that's the art of it. I'm glad you guys were able to watch this video. Thanks for tagging along, for all the laughs and memories that we shared. Other than that, until next time, thanks for watching.